We know that we come in the house and we flip on the switch and turn on the light, but do we ever really think about what it takes to power on that light?
The purpose of the conference is to help educators learn more about energy and the different types of energy and help us dig deeper so we can take that back to our classroom and actually incorporate the lessons they're teaching us and the resources they're providing us with and put those in students' hands. This is the best PD I've ever been to because it's so engaging and involved.
Every room that I've gone into, every session, it's been hands-on. So the time flies, a lot of collaborative, cooperative learning.
I am a kinesthetic and visual learner, so being able to actually do the activities before doing them with my students gives me a better understanding, idea how I can implement into my classroom, thinking about changes and modifications that might have to be made to meet the needs of my students because they do have a variety of learning styles.